Hello everyone, good morning. So as we discussed it about the YouTube lecture series, so this is our first lecture series of computer networks that we are starting on GTUinsta YouTube channel. So in this lecture, we will provide you a complete lecture playlist for computer networks with all the syllabus covered by GTU and all the other topics that where maybe remain in the syllabus. So yeah, we can begin it. So about this playlist, we are covering complete computer network syllabus and a simple explanation of complex networking concept. It will be useful for all the engineering exams interview if you are giving a remedial regular remade made or viva anything. It will completely helps you, and all the video lecture is structured completely with topic by topic and advanced topic that will helps you to understand the things that how it works, and it will perfect for GTU computer science students. And if you are not in GTU, it will also help to cover up the computer network syllabus overall. So this playlist will be divided by in a chapter. In each chapter, we have some certain points, so you can easily learn about that. And we have divided in a chapter wise: chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4, chapter 5. it in each chapter we have several points. We can cover up limited points in each lecture series, and we will upload it on YouTube, so it will easy to understand for you to learn each topic. So in a first chapter, basic of computer networks, we are covering an introduction of computer network, its goals, applications, its data communication, transmissions modes, network criteria, connection types, network topology, LAN, WAN, MAN, OSI model, and layer responsibility. Everything in detail, one by one, in certain points and advanced topics wise. In also, let's move to the chapter 2. Chapter 2 will be about all about data link layer, where you can learn about random access protocol, sliding window protocol, every module, stop and wait protocol, error detections, and everything A to Z point wise. Also, we have a chapter 3 network layer. Network layers basics: IPv4 header, IPv6 header, addressing and notions, classful addressing, subnetting, classes addressing, routing fundamentals, and other topics you will learn in chapter 3. And in chapter 4, you will learn about transport layer basis, ports number and socket addressing, and every each and all the points will be covered in each lectures. And the final chapter is chapter 5 will be a application layer. And application layer, you will learn about email systems, SMTP, FTP, HTTP, cookies, DNS, namespace, talent. Every point you will get covered by a point wise in detail and in advanced topic. So yeah, why students should watch this playlist? So it is will be simple. You will get the syllabus covered at one place. Also, we are providing study notes to all the students after the completing the playlist of each chapter one by one. You will get all the resources at one place. So stay tuned for the next lecture, chapter 1, and you will learn about that and also get a free study resources for that. Stay tuned. Thanks.